Don't make ugly slide like this. Instead, make this kind of beautiful slide in PowerPoint. To be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device. Let me insert the picture of Messi and click on Insert. Make sure it covers the whole slide. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Click on right button, go to Format Shape, go to Fill, click on Gradient Fill. From here, select the linear down option, delete this stops, select this stops, go to over here, go to eyedropper and choose this color. Select this stop and make it white color. Select this stops and keep it over here like this. Now let me select this one, increase the transparency to 100%. Select this stops and increase the transparency to 9%. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here like this. Right here Lionel Messi, select it and change the font to Team A. Make it bold, increase the font size and increase the spacing. Make it 10 point. Increase the size, place it over here. Now let me select this shape. Hold down the Ctrl key and select the text box, go to Format Shape and click on Combine. Insert a text box and drag it over here. Add some demo text here, select it, make it center, increase the length, select the font, make it white fill color, make it bold and make it italic. Now let me select this shape and hold down the Ctrl key and select the text box, press Ctrl G to group them together. Go to Animation, click on Fly In, change the duration to 1 second, go to Animation Pen, go to Effect option and increase the bounce end. Now let me watch the slideshow and here you will see this is looking very beautiful. So hope you have found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe.